Math, in plain English, roots of quadratic functions. In this video, you will be able to identify roots of a quadratic function, determine the zeros of a quadratic function. Let's play a game. Let's make the left side equal to 0. You can choose any number to replace x. You can even choose 0. What if we add another piece to it? Now what number will you choose to make the left side equal to 0? Good choice. 4 minus 4 is 0. Let's add another piece. Now what number will you choose? Remember, whatever number you choose, you must replace both x. If 4 worked for x minus 4, then maybe 4 will work again, since we have another x minus 4 here. Here you see that 4 minus 4 is 0, 4 plus 3 is 7, then 0 multiplies 7 is 0, so 4 does work. You know that 0 multiplied any number is 0. Therefore, all you have to do is make sure that one of the parentheses is 0. Can you think of another number that will make one of these parentheses 0? Negative 3. Negative 3 minus 4 is negative 7. Negative 3 plus 3 is 0. So negative 7 multiplied 0 is 0. So x can be 4 and negative 3. Let's make it a little bit more difficult. Here you have x squared minus 1x minus 12. Same rules. Let's make it equal to 0. Remember, whichever number you choose, you have to replace both x. Were you able to find one number that worked? Let's try negative 3. Negative 3 squared is positive 9. Negative 1 multiplied negative 3 is positive 3. We didn't do anything to negative 12. Does the left side equal 0? Yes. There is another number that will work. Try 4. So x is equal to negative 3 and 4. Recall earlier that we said the answer to this is also negative 3 and 4. That's not a surprise, because these two are actually the same. You can go from this one to that one by factoring. When written like this, or this, you want to find a number that make the expression equal to 0. If there's an f of x in the front, then it's a function. This function is a parabola with two roots. Roots are where the parabola crosses the x-axis. Notice that the roots for this function is also negative 3 and 4. So why is this important? Anytime you throw something, you create a parabola. There's a starting point and an ending point. Those are your roots. If you know your roots, you know exactly how high and how far to shoot a basketball. You also see these roots in video games, in soccer, and in all forms of dancing. Let's review. You have a quadratic function. It's a parabola. You have to find the roots, the points where the parabola crosses the x-axis. You have to find an x so that the expression is equal to 0. To make it easier to see, you can factor the expression. Remember that if one set of the parentheses is 0, then the entire expression is equal to 0. So the expression is equal to 0 when x is 4 and x is negative 3.